Did you file on your own? Finalizing divorce cases for folks is 50% of my business. The other 50% is people coming to me at the very beginning before they filed a single document or start a case whatsoever. If you are in that position, if you filed your divorce case in any county in California and you get stuck, I can pick up and take over at any time and finalize your case so long as you and your spouse are cooperative and in a full agreement. And there's a lot of our business. And here's where people get stuck traditionally. I would say of those 50%, 80% of the 50% get stuck right after they file the summons and petition. Maybe they served someone by personal service when it wasn't necessary because they didn't know any better. And then sometimes they even filed a response, again, which isn't necessary, but that's what the instructions say. So I'm not going to, hold you to that. That says, file, serve, and then do the response, and you pay the other fee. And now have you lost your money? I've had a lot of people call me saying, thank you for doing the video that says you do not have to file a response if you're amicable, and they're happy to save $435. And by the way, I say that because it helps offset the cost if you want to hire me. Makes my service fee just a couple $100. But it's easy to start your divorce. It's, people still make mistakes. You can give the clerk the money, fill out your forms. They're going to take the money. They're going to stamp the form, even if it's wrong. But after that is when it gets complex with the disclosures, and then particularly the judgment. Even if you have no assets and debts, it can be tricky. You miss one checkbox, it gets rejected. But if there's assets, debts, and kids and all that, you should really get a professional. I would recommend myself to take care of that for you. We really streamlined the process. And I'm going to talk about something about that later on that came up. It was kind of weird today with one of the clients that started with us.